How to use TikTok remote scrolling ring for iOS users. Click on Settings, find Accessibility, then Touch, then turn on Assistive Touch, and finally slide down to Tracking Sensitivity to adjust it by about 20%, and make sure the iOS version is higher than 14.8. Remove the ring from the charging case. The red and blue lights flash alternately, indicating that the device is turned on. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth, search for R1, and connect to the device. Once you've done that, you can wear the device on your hand. You can press the down button to scroll down the video, right-click to go to the profile page, left-click to exit the profile page. When you press OK, you can pause and play the video. Most importantly, double-click the OK button to like your favorite video. Long press the OK button, and you can also give continuous likes to your favorite live stream. Also, long press the left or right button to adjust the volume. Even more can be done with this device. Control the RAW camera and beauty camera for taking selfies and recording videos. Click the OK button to focus. You can also use it to remotely turn pages of ebooks. Press the left button to go to the previous page. Press the right button to go to the next page. If you can only scroll up or down, you can turn off continuous scrolling in settings. Then you can turn the page to the left or right. Get it?